So basically this is the DIY Peltier the chiller for the Canon 650D. So this plastic housing, so some of the pacifier they use a small one, but I found if you want the temperature drop more significant, you need this size. So this plastic and this plastic, this two mount is using to fix the fan and also the pacifier, the heat sink here. So basically you need not do anything, just simply put the screw here. Okay, now I start to fix the rivet here, and one by one. Remember, when you finish, the rivet will permanently inside, so you have to make sure no mistake and no tolerance or shift of the rivet on the hole. So you have to press a couple times until you hear the pop sound. Okay, finish. And this one. Some people may use the screw instead, but whatever, use the simple one. Anyway, finally I will not remove it anyway. So you can see it's done. It's done. So after you put the mount here, remember to pull this cable inside and let this temperature sensor outside. So we need this to cover it, and this is the contact plate on the back of the camera. So this is we use 3 mm thickness cover plate here. So after that we will put it here, and use some adhesive, the high temperature one, to cover it. So remember, use the right hole size and press it here, and remember, press it downward completely, and then you can start to fix it. So on the downwards we have prepared 3 holes here. So on the mechanical drawing I didn't reserve this, but maybe I will modify it before I put this on the thin iris. So because the level is a bit different, so I add an edge here, and I got this nut. So you need a C-ring, so just simply put it here. Then you can use this to adjust the contact. Adjust the contact, the size. You need make a slot, allow the screw move forward and backward. This is necessary to help you adjust the tolerance. So I'll put this here first, and then I will put the rivet. Okay, now I'm doing the same. So I suggest each of the violet, press one time first. Make sure the position will not get loose, and like this. Okay, then finally you can press 2 more, and make sure the violet will not, the level will not raise up. Yeah. Second time, the third time. Yes. Okay. So this is almost done. And you need to put the C-ring here. You need a snipper. Very easy, just press it in. Yeah, you can hear a very sharp pop noise. Then the C-ring will avoid the screw coming out. So make sure press it more firmly. Oh, and this is the panel. So I need adjust a bit of the hole of this DC 12 volt. I will need I will add a label. Maybe this side facing up will get a more better surface, but anyway, who cares? So this is a typical temperature sensor, and just a few dollars, maybe 2 in US. So basically this one is for the 220 volt, but the size and also the color is good, so I use this. So the temperature sensor is simply just put here, and after this complete, so you cover it, and use the screw, drill the hole to here, and to fix it. So I will, and finally you have to press this one inside, and use some the computer heatsink, the silicon adhesive, and put it here. Yeah, like this. And be careful, not let this come out. Yeah. And finally, use some the gasket, high temperature one, to cover this area. Make sure this is firmly to sticking on the Peltier. Finally, the controller is here. So it's a very simple connection, so I didn't describe too much. So but you can see the temperature sensor here. Oh, it's freezing. So the temperature dropping very fast. I said the target is 12, so less than a minute, so the temperature already dropped down to 12 Celsius. So very close.